Today's lesson is lesson 110, graphing ordered pairs on a coordinate plane and identifying coordinates of a point on a coordinate plane. So on a globe and many maps, you have lines of longitude and latitude to determine where you are on the map. Today you will learn how a mathematician locates points on a flat surface. These two lines here are number lines. The point where the two number lines intersect at 0 is called the origin point. And that's at the point 0 on the number lines. Mathematicians call the horizontal axis x, the x number line, or the x-axis, and the vertical line, the y-axis. Okay? Now if you look, all the numbers to the right of the 0 on the x-axis is positive, and everything to the left is negative. On the y-axis, everything up is positive, and everything down is negative. These two number lines make what we call a coordinate plane. Mathematicians use a coordinate graph to locate points on a flat surface, and this flat surface is called a coordinate plane. Now I will show you how to locate and name points on the coordinate plane. Okay. So whenever I move on a coordinate plane, I always move over on the x-axis first, either direction, but I always move on the x first. So I'm going to move over 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, I will move either up or down. So I'm going to move up in this case. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And when I get to my location, I put a dot. So I moved 3 places to the right and 5 places up. Now I will write directions to show how I got to this place. So since I moved 3 over and 5 up, I would write this out. 3, 5. This is called an ordered pair. Ooh. And an ordered pair tells me how far to move. Okay. So if I moved over to the left, 1, 2, and then moved up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would put a dot there. And then I have to tell what I did. So I moved to the left 2, so that's -2. And then I moved up 4, so that is +4. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what the ordered pair for each of these letters are. So if we look at A, it's over here. So I need to first move on the x-axis to the right. So I move over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gets me right underneath the A. So now I need to move up to get to that point. And I move up 1, 2, 3. So I move to the right 5 places and up 3 places. So my ordered pair would be 5, 3. Let's look at B. We always start at the origin point. We always start at 0. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So that's -4. And then I go up 1. So my ordered pair would be -4, 1. All right. Let's go ahead and look at C. So to get to C, I have to start at 0. And from 0, I need to move to the left 1, 2 places. I need to move down 1, 2, 3, 4. So my ordered pair is going to be -2, -4. Okay. All right, so D, starting at the origin point, notice I don't go anywhere on the X or on the X at all. It's just directly below. So on this one, I'm only going to go down 1, 2, 3. So the origin, or for the coordinates for this is going to be 0, because I don't move on the X, negative 3. Okay, and the final one is E. So again, starting at 0, we're going to go over 1 and go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my ordered pair is 1, negative 5. Okay, so now we're going to graft these coordinate planes onto, or all these points on my coordinate plane. Okay, so the first one is 1, 6. So I'm going to go to the right 1 and up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put a dot. Okay. So let's do the next one. Try to point where you think it's going to go and see if you're correct. Next one is 1, 2. So I'm going to go over 1, up 2. Okay. And it kind of makes a big dot to dot. So I can go ahead and connect lines between the dots. Okay, next one, 5, 3. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Okay, next one, 2, 6. Over 1, 2. Up 6. Oh, I forgot to connect these lines here and like that. Okay, the next one is negative 2, 6. So we go over 1, 2 to the left, because that's negative, and then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The next one is negative 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 6 again. And the next one is negative 4, 4. So negative 4 up 4 would be right there. Okay. And it doesn't really make a picture, but on your homework you'll be able to draw one that looks like something. Okay, and that's it for your lesson. Good luck.